Hello, my name is Isabella, and today I will be talking about Albania. A quick overview. This informational-based presentation is to provide a background on Albania. The information presented includes information from several sources. It is not produced independently. Some topics that will be discussed is overview and safety, meeting etiquette, negotiation, and other considerations. First, we will discuss immunization. Recommended vaccines include measles, mumps, rubella, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, the chickenpox, the polio vaccine, hepatitis A and B, rabies, and the flu shot. It's recommended that you're up to date on these vaccines before you travel to Albania. These vaccines are precautionary and can be administered at any local doctor. Currency. In Albania, the most common type of currency you will find is the Albanian lek. Sterling is also used in most parts of Albania. Well-known credit and debit cards can be used, but only in trustworthy places, such as banks or hotels, and this is to avoid any fraud. The weather. Albania has a Mediterranean climate. You can experience cooler nights in the 60s and warmer days in the 80s. If you plan to go out for a casual stroll or any outside activities, light clothes such as sweaters or sweatpants is recommended. City overview. Albania has 4 major airports. The best one to choose from is the Tirana International Airport Mimi Teresa. This airport has cabs, cars, and shuttle services that can transport you to your destination. The population of Albania is 2,873,457,000, and the main religion is Islam. A few precautions to go over. Public transportation. Albania is known for their untrustworthy transportation, but as long as you're using marked taxis, they are considered to be safe. Next, we will talk about water quality. Use caution when drinking water. The quality of water differs from region to region. Some safe drinks include boiled or filtered or bottled water, carbonated drinks, bottled water that was uncapped by you or in your presence, and hot tea and or coffee. Avoid tap water or beverages that may contain ice. Next, we will be discussing our dairy products. It's common for dairy products to be unpasteurized. Ask the server or waitress where the milk has come from and if it was unpasteurized or pasteurized. Eat in well-known restaurants and try to avoid any street foods. Be on the lookout for any unsanitary practices. The language. The main language is Albanian, with Italian and English being the most spoken foreign language. Some basic words include welcome, Marie, si bien, a general hello, Kimi, and my name is, si ju kwane. Next, we will be discussing the meeting etiquette. Attire. Men are known for their dark formal suits and ties with clean, polished shoes. When greeting men, greet by shaking hands and have a steady eye contact. When greeting women, a light handshake is recommended. Address them by their title. This can be a doctor, professor, etc. Meetings. Arrive early. Meetings generally start on time. When an important person walks into the room, stand up and remain standing until they have been seated. If you are the one giving the presentation, an introduction speech before the presentation is recommended. Negotiation. First, we will be discussing authority. The highest positions hold the most authority. Keep your composure. When you're in a meeting and you don't have a good composure, it's frowned upon and could completely ruin your business meeting. Bring a translator if possible. It is known that businessmen and women in Albania tend to raise the prices for anyone doing business outside of their country. And it can take weeks for a decision to be made. A few social aspects. Business meals can take place over lunch and/or dinner. Accept alcoholic beverages if it's presented to you. It's disrespectful not to. Eat all or most of your food. It can also be looked at as disrespectful. Some other considerations. The U.S. Embassy is located in Tirana, Albania. Their telephone is 355-04224-7285, and this is also the number you will call for an emergency outside of their hours. The email is acsttirania@state.gov. Your passport must be valid 3 months before your trip. No visa is required as long as you are a tourist staying for less than a year. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.